Hello, and welcome to this Kitchen Magic demonstration on how to install your hinge dowels. First, you're going to need some safety glasses. You're also going to need a hammer, needle nose pliers, a screwdriver, Phillips head, and a piece of scrap wood. Your hinge has a little clasp in the back that you're going to want to pull towards you to release it from the hinge plate. Once you've done that, you're going to want to get a piece of cardboard or blanket to cover the surface that you're working on and also the face of the door to protect the door. You're going to grab your screwdriver and unscrew the hinge screws like so. Get rid of the old door and get the new door. With your needle nose pliers, take the hinge dowel, get a firm grip, set it on one of the recessed screw holes here, give it a tap so it's nice and secure in there. Grab your block, and this is to protect the door so you do not get any nicks. Do the same thing for the other hole. Like so. Give it a tap. Grab your block. All right, the dowels are in. So we're gonna take our hinge that came off of the old door and set it in to the bore. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take the existing screws that you had from the old hinge and place them in. Be sure not to screw it in too tight because you don't want to strip anything, but you want it tight enough so that the door doesn't come off the hinge. Once that's nice and secured, make sure it's good and aligned properly, and you can take your door and it's ready for mounting. Thank you for watching this Kitchen Magic demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to Kitchen Magic for any service questions.